Got him. Come in.
What's up, guys? Coltrane here. Today we are doing my first bass fishing video in a while. When I went fishing, it was crazy thunder. We were just surrounded by a storm the whole time. In between catches, the rain would sometimes die down and we would get some good fishing in, and then it would just be walls of rain, and then we ended up having to cut the fishing session short. But I really hope you guys enjoy the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's get into it.
Oh my god, I have something. Oh my gosh, it's big. It's a bass. Oh my gosh, she's huge. Boom. Oh my gosh, I thought there was no chance we caught one at this spot, so I didn't even say anything when we got here. This is just my second bass of the year. Oh my god. No, jeez. I am at a loss for words right now. Jeez, come on, bud. Open wide. Oh my gosh. On the lunker log, we just got to spot number 1. It's raining. And this guy was very hungry. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and unhook him. And now the release. See ya, bud. Well, that was literally 5th cast here. We're just fishing behind these apartments over here, and that guy absolutely crunched the worm. He knocked off the worm, and since I've already been a bit too loud here, we're gonna go ahead back to the car and find a new spot. But that was insane. I can't believe we got that. Whew. Two more casts. 2 more. Oh my gosh, I got one. I just had one. I promise you I just had a bite. I'm throwing it in the air again. I swear to you I just had a fish on. Got him. Come in here. Boom! Second one of the day. Oh my gosh. We literally just said last cast. And oh my gosh, that is insane. A small guy. He's just barely bigger than the worm. But still, oh my gosh, I cannot believe it. It's just started pouring rain here. And this guy decided it was time for him to eat. So let's go ahead and get this hook out. And then I'll see you guys back at the house. Alright, second one of the day. Let's get the release on him.
Alright, thank you all for watching this video. This has been my first bass fishing video in a while. We only really went fishing for 2 or 3 hours because the thunder just kept getting closer to us when we were fishing. I really hope you guys expect a whole bunch more fishing videos to come, and I'll see you guys in the next video.